if you were to set it down and then, yeah, if you wanted to, so you could speak right.
We're here at CES. We're showing the newly announced Vixia Mini-X. It's a new personal camcorder video being able to use for blogger type situations. You can see it's got a built-in stand. It's a 15mm wide angle lens, built-in stereo microphone that are 2.5 times larger than the Vixia Mini. Be able to pick up great dynamic range of audio. On the side, we have got a full input, so we can run a separate microphone input. We can have a headphone jack to be able to monitor the audio back, but then we can also have a dial to adjust the audio to make sure that our audio levels are good. It has a flip rotate screen. This camera is going to be great for the blogger that wants to be able to run their own images. As you can see, it's a 15mm wide fish angle lens, and just at the touch of the screen, I can crop in to give us a good close-up view of whatever the subject is that we're talking about. This will record at a full 1080p HD video and also take 12.8 megapixel still images. The screen is able to rotate so that we can shoot from various angles and be able to show the full surroundings of our full environment. All at the same time, they're capturing high quality audio because of the built-in microphone. It uses the SD memory card, which is placed right in the back with the battery, and takes any of those file sizes available on SD memory cards. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi, so I can actually stream the footage out to any of my tablet devices or my smartphone. And with the application, the app that's available on both Android as well as iOS platforms, I can control that camera from any remote location through the web. And that's the Vixia Mini-X.